I don't really know how to start videos or anything like that still, but anyways, my name's Reese, and this is my E36. I just got this car, I guess it's been a month already now, and I know nothing about BMWs. I'm used to old stuff. I'm used to old Fords, really. Like, I love these old trucks and tractors, things like that, hot rods, muscle cars, whatever. I wound up getting a BMW now, and I know absolutely nothing about them. I've been trying to learn a little bit. I have a group of friends that are real big into drifting, and they have been for years now, and they've been wanting me to get involved with it. And I talked about like fixing this Fox body up for a drift car, and yeah, they ended up just sending me this out of the blue on Marketplace. They found it, and we went and got it. Went and made a 4-hour road trip to get it. We ended up buying 2 E36s on the same day. One of them had to be trailered home, and I followed them home with this one. Dailied it a little bit, and to be honest with you, I really like driving it. It handles really good, and I love inline 6-cylinders. This is the M50 TU. I'm still learning about BMW stuff, so, you know, there's a lot I don't really know. I had to rebuild the Vanos unit, and apparently that's a common thing with these cars when they get old. The seals, they just wear down over time and shrink, and this car, it felt like it had boost lag without a turbo on it. And aside from that, I really had fun just driving this car and playing around with it, like on the back roads and stuff. I thought the Vanos was going to be a little bit easier, but in my mind, I was making it out to be way harder than it really was. And I ain't gonna lie to you, I was paranoid. I kept having to refer back to some YouTube videos. This guy channel Revive My Ride, he had a really great in-depth video. I kept going back and referring to it. Like, I was just being extra cautious, you know. I'm used to motorists got push rods and a single cam in it. It's just that's what I'm used to, you know. It just runs.
Exactly as a positive track rear end on a Plymouth work. It just does. It just does.
I don't know. It ain't got no gas in it right now, but it ran out of gas right here, and I've been cutting trees, so I had to move it out of the way. It don't have brakes either, but not worried about that. That needs a carburetor rebuilt too, and it needs tires, and the transmission's kind of going bad. Anyways, so I went and did the right thing. I got me another project car. Figured this would be a perfect car to learn how to drift in. It's not perfect, you know. The paint's, it's been in a body shop a few times. I got a stack full of receipts that came with it. I did a little quick wash before I started filming down here. All the pollen's in the air, obviously. And I got carpenter bees that are eating my shed up. My dad's shed anyways. It's fixing to collapse probably, so that's fun. My friends, they talked me kind of into it because they was basically explaining, oh, Reese, this is a German Fox body, basically. You already have a Fox body. This is a German Fox body, and it's a sedan. I was like, cool. Runs great now, and I fixed some vacuum leaks on it with the PCV. I'm fixing to redo my whole cooling system. I got a radiator hoses, I guess, from 1994. So probably be smart to go ahead and replace that. New radiator, new cooling neck that's aluminum, new thermostat, new expansion tank, all that good stuff. But yeah, I really like this car, and it's a lot more fun than I expected. So, you know, I'll see what I can learn getting into drifting soon. But I have to go to work soon, and we'll start tomorrow on flushing the cooling system. Lasts a little bit. Got it pretty clean now. So if you've wasted this much of your time watching however long this video is, I really appreciate it. Hope you have a good day. Oh, can't reach that far. My parking brake doesn't work. Yours?